So in the first video, I did these little print statements just to give it a bit of output in the terminal window down here, or console window. So in the second video, we're going to do something with variables, super important concept. And a variable is just some way of storing some information. So I'm going to have a variable called my name, and it's going to be given the value Mr. Smith. So this variable my name has got the value Mr. Smith, and I'm going to have another variable called my star sign, and that's going to be I actually am a Taurus. There you go. And I can print those values out. So I can print, for example, actually we'll incorporate a little bit of output as well. My name is, and then you see that's in speech marks because it's text. And then in this next line, print my name. And you can see that has got no speech marks around it because it's referring to this variable here. So then I can say print my star sign is, and again, a print statement of my star sign. So if I run this, it's going to do 4 print statements. These are just plain text. These ones are printing out the values stored in these variables. So play. My name is Mr. Smith. My star sign is Taurus. Next video, we'll make the format of that just a little bit better.